Hi everyone, Marco is here today with a new finger puppet surprise. This time, this finger puppet surprise is for his favorite teddy bear. How do you like it? Tell us in the comments. Marco, would you show it a little bit closer? Perfect. That's a nice one. Marco has a lot of teddy bears, but this one, the big one, it's one of his favorite. He has it for a very long time and he loves playing with it because it's so soft and cuddly and it's such a great teddy bear. Thank you, Marco, for presenting the teddy bear finger puppet. You've been great, Mark.